With ELTEC's 50 years in the traffic warning safety industry, we get numerous inquiries as to solutions to reduce driver speed in school zones. Speed is a factor, and it determines somebody's probability of surviving a vehicle impact. And with that in mind, it's very, very important that motorists obey speed limits when they're in a school zone. ELTEC has a traditional product called the ELTEC flashing school zone beacons. And these have been around for many years. But to enhance that product, ELTEC has come out with an innovative new product called the retractable speed hump. Everybody knows a speed bump reduces traffic speed, but it's not very driver friendly. It kind of disrupts traffic when you don't need it, and it's permanent. You can't move it. The speed hump can be partnered with a multiple of ELTEC time clocks that can monitor the system. We can use a trigger circuit within the time clock that will pair the speed hump with a school zone flasher. So what happens is when the school zone flasher initiates, the speed hump raises out of the road. When the lights are going off, we have a timer included in the system that will time the deflation of the speed hump, and as it goes down, the lights go off. In addition to that, the speed hump is adjustable. You're able to adjust it from 1/4 inch height to 3 inches in height. And the height is important because it's determined by the mile per hour of the speed limit of that particular zone. For instance, the recommendation, if you have a 15 mile per hour school zone, the recommended height is 3 inches. It's been tested with 18-wheelers fully loaded up to 80,000 pounds.
We've done a test in Burke-Burnett, Texas, which is on the border of Oklahoma and Texas. So it's seen snow and it'll see ice. We've seen a lot of positive feedback from both the police and the crossing guards that it is slowing down traffic.
The retractable speed hump is comparable in price to a standard speed bump. Size is approximately 10 feet long, 2 feet wide, and it can be used in a multiple of situations. You can put them in series and use them to access multiple lanes. It's AC or DC powered, which is solar powered. It's made of steel plate, but you also have an option to use weatherized steel, which is beneficial in the areas where they have a lot of ice and snow. They use that weathered steel to build bridges that are exposed to chemicals for fighting the ice and the snow and so forth. One other thing that the unit is mounted into the roadway recess, like maybe a 1/16 of an inch, like a manhole cover. In northern cities, they say there is a concern with snow plows catching on it, but they don't have a problem with manholes normally. Very environmental friendly. The item's actually powered by airbags and a compressor mounted on a pole with an airline. There's no hydraulic lines that can rupture and mess up the environment. You can also configure the system with pre-warning signs. These pre-warning signs can use flashing lights that are actually activated with the school lights. And then you can have a sign on it that says speed hump ahead when flashing.